GK book LKG to page number 47 and UKG to page number 61. Okay. It is, what is the topic? The story of a plant or life of a plant. Do you know how do plants grow? I'll give you one activity today. What you have to do? You have tomatoes at house ना, लाल लाल टोमेटो होते हैं ना, मम्मी को बोलो उनको कट करने और पॉट में पहले क्या करना है, थोड़ा सा मिट्टी डालना है, उसके ऊपर वो कट किया हुआ टोमेटो रखो, फिर पूरा मिट्टी से भरो और रोज थोड़ा 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 पानी डालो. You will get a tomato tree. If not, do for green chili or potato, anything whatever you can do. But you have to do this activity, and when the tree gets its fruit, whatever you sow, for example tomato if you sow, when you get the tomato from the plant, you have to send the pic of the tomato, okay, to us on our WhatsApp number. Okay, you do this activity. मैंने तो किया है बाबा. What I did is I cut the red tomato which is really very ripe. उसको कट करना है, पॉट लेना है छोटा सा, थोड़ा सा नीचे मिट्टी भरो, नीचे मिट्टी भरने पर टोमेटो रख दो और पूरे पॉट को क्या करना है, मिट्टी से भरना है. एंड एवरी डे pour water twice or thrice. देख देख के मम्मी को पूछ के पानी डालो. And when the tree comes, when the plant comes, you send us the photo of the plant. And when the fruit or the vegetable what you have sowed comes out, send us the pic. Okay. So here is the story of the plant. See here, the story of the plant. What do you have to do? First you have to sow a seed. Now tomato आपने कट करके मैंने बोला ना, मिट्टी के अंदर डालना है, उसको हर रोज थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी डालना है. Then see a young plant comes out, छोटा सा बेबी प्लांट. फिर उसको क्या होता है, धूप और पानी के वजह से वो प्लांट ग्रो होने लगता है. देन इट गिव्स फुल ग्रीन लीफ. उसके बाद क्या होता है, whatever seed you have sowed, that fruit or vegetable comes out to the plant. Okay, that fruit or vegetable comes out to the plant. Now here, life of a plant. There are some parts of a plant. Okay, UKG turn to page number 62 and LKG turn to page number 5050. I'll tell you the parts of the plant. You know, under the ground it is called root, and above the ground whatever tree plant is grown, that plant is called as shoot. There are two types of parts of the plant. One is the root and one is the shoot. Okay, the root is under the ground. What is the root called? Where is the root? It is under the ground, which is not seen. And the parts of the plant which is seen by us is the shoot. The shoot is the part of the plant which we can see, and the part of the plant which cannot be seen is called as the root. Okay, ये जो नीचे ग्राउंड के नीचे रूट्स होते हैं, ये आपको दिखाई नहीं देते. So the part of the plant is called the root, and the one which is seen by us is called shoot. Okay, so on page number 50 of LKG, write today's date and CW. UKG page number 62, write today's date and repeat after me. See here, I told you no, I had sowed a tomato tree, tomato plant seed of here. See, tomatoes have come out. Whatever seed you sow, when the plant grows fully, the fruit or the vegetable comes out from the seed. Okay, that activity should be done. Until and unless you send the pictures of the activity, we will not give you your result. Your report card will not be given to by the teacher. So what is your activity of part of the plant? You have to sow any seed and bring out that plant and vegetable or fruit to us. Okay, the easiest one which I did is the tomato one. You can cut the ripe tomato, जो ज़्यादा लाल होता है ना घर में, मम्मी को बोलो कट करने into half. Take a mama's help. Tell mama to cut it. एक छोटा सा pot ले लो. See here, ऐसा वाला pot. Pour some mud in that first. Then keep your tomato into it, the cut tomatoes into the pot. Then cover the whole pot with the mud and sprinkle water daily accordingly. Ask mama how many times. As you see the mud gets dry, you have to sprinkle water. It may be 2 times or 3 times daily in a day. Then you will get a beautiful tomato tree like this with red tomatoes. Once the tree comes out, you have to send the picture, and once the tomatoes are seen on your tree, that photo also should be sent to the teacher. Okay. So now we read out the parts of the plant. The first one is ROOT, root, which is under the ground, जमीन के नीचे, दिखाई नहीं देता है. And which part is seen of the plant is called shoot. How many types of parts of plant are there? 2. One is the root, which is not seen by us. Okay. And the part of the plant shoot is always seen by us. In that you have various parts of the plant, like leaf can be seen, fruits, vegetables, then you have stem. Okay. When the plant is small, this part is called the stem. Okay. And when this plant grows into a big tree, that part, instead of calling it stem, we call it as trunk. What do we call it as? Trunk. Okay. जब प्लांट छोटा होता है, जो दांडी होती है, जो स्टिक होता है, उसे हम स्टेम बोलते हैं. STEM, स्टेम. सी STEM, स्टेम, जो लकड़ी के जैसे सीधा खड़े रहता है ना, जहाँ से लीव्स बाहर आते हैं उसके सपोर्ट में, उसको स्टेम बोलते हैं. When this small plant grows into a big tree, like the mango tree, banana tree, instead of calling that stick a stem, we call it as TRUNK, trunk. Okay. So we'll read out. Now it is a small plant. So what do we call it as? Stem. This line will be calling it as stem. And when it grows into a big tree like this, any big tree, this stick will be called as trunk instead of stem. Okay. So now we'll read out the parts of the plant. The underneath part is the root, that is the legs of the plant. ROOT. आपके 2 पाँव है ना, but आपके दिखते हैं because it is a part of the body which is useful to us. Since the plant cannot move, so this part is underneath, because from that ground itself it takes water and essential nutrients for the plant to grow. Okay. The root is very useful in growing a plant, because from the ground whatever vitamins or nutrients it has to be passed to the tree or plant that goes with the help of the root. So ROOT, root, is the first part of the body. Then STEM, stem. This is called stem, जिसपे ट्री खड़ा होता है, प्लांट खड़ा होता है, जिससे लीव्स और फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स टंगे रहते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं स्टेम. देन यू हैव ग्रीन कलर इज LEAF, लीफ. आफ्टर लीफ कम्स द फ्लावर. फर्स्ट directly the fruit or the vegetable does not come out. When the leaves are coming out, along with that small tiny flowers come out. From the flower a seed starts growing. From the seed you find your concerned vegetable or fruit grown. Okay. So after the leaf what is grown? FLOWER, flower. Then from the flower you get FRUIT, fruit. Okay. We'll read out the parts of the plant again. The first one, the main one is the ROOT, root. From the root you move on to the part of the plant which is standing straight is STEM, stem. Then from the stem what comes out? LEAF, leaf. After leaf what comes out to the stem? FLOWER, flower. Then from the flower what is grown? FRUIT, fruit or vegetable, whatever seed you have sowed. Okay. UKG children, you have to trace the name of the part of the plant and color the picture. Okay, repeat after me. ROOT, root. Trace along the given alphabets. Then the green color one is STEM, stem. Then you have LEAF, leaf. Okay, and the last one is FLOWER, flower. Okay, you have to color the picture, UKG. And LKG and UKG children, in your English notebook, your homework will be draw and color the parts of a plant. Write the parts of the plant. Draw and color life of a plant, parts of a plant. How it is in your GK textbook, draw like that and color and name the parts of the plant. Okay, this is your homework. So UKG children, repeat after me. ROOT, root. Then you have STEM, stem. Then you have LEAF, leaf. Then comes, after the leaf comes FLOWER, flower. Turn your page. There are some plants. We will just read out. This is the tomato plant. See how it grows. Then you have the banana plant, which grows very short, not too high. Then you have the coconut plant, which is the longest. You can see. Then you have mango plant. See, and the pumpkin. Pumpkin is the plant which grows to the ground. Okay, it is a creeper plant. It does not grow straight. It grows here only to the ground. It does not grow like any other plant. Okay, turn your page. Here, page number 64. See here. In your story of a plant, you had a small plant like this, correct? You had a small plant. This was called as the stem, I told you. Now this plant has grown into a big tree. See, so many flowers are there. There are some vegetables grown out. Now this you call it as the trunk, not the stem. This is called as the TRUNK, trunk. When the plant grows into a big tree, the brown color standing line of the tree is called the trunk. Okay. Here, there are different kinds of leaf. Different plants have different kinds of leaf. This is the neem tree. Neem tree leaves look like this. This is a medicinal plant. Then the rose tree. The rose leaves are like this. The petals, the leaves are like this. Then you have the peepal tree, banana tree, papaya tree, and the lotus tree. These are the different leaves of different trees. Okay. Next, page number 66. UKG children is your HW. Page number 66. UKG children is your HW. Okay. So do your activity. Send us the pictures, and in your English notebook as homework, draw and color parts of the plant. Now LKG children and UKG children, open your English notebook. We will just write out the parts of the plant spelling. Okay. Write today's date in the left hand corner. Your topic is GK. In your English notebook, GK. What is today's date? 18/2/2021. Okay. Write parts of a plant. LKG and UKG students. LKG write in small handwriting. And UKG students, please write in cursive only. Okay. What is the first part of the plant? ROOT, root. Write it 3 times. Each spelling you have to write it 3 times. ROOT, root. LKG students say and write. UKG students start writing in cursive. Otherwise this time I will not check your answer papers. The next comes is the STEM, stem. Write it 3 times. STEM, stem. STEM, stem.